Friends, today I'll share how to create a thunkable app. So you might be thinking that making an app is really difficult, but after this video, you'll learn how to create a proper app. So the first step is to go on Google Chrome. So now on the search bar, we'll type thunkable. It'll come over here. It will come thunkable. Create your own app. You'll end up in a page like this. So be sure not to click on these things. Only click on this thunkable.com drag and drop mobile app builder for iOS. Okay. So I'll get started, but I already have logged into Thunkable. But when you will be doing it, you would have to log in. There would be three options: log in with Facebook, log in with Google, or log in with Microsoft. You can do with anyone which you are comfortable. Well, I'm working on this app, so I'll show you how I made it. So this is my page where I'm making my app. So you'll get an idea. This is how Thunkable will look. So now I'll tell you the four main important things while we make an app. So the first important thing is to know what your app is going to be about. Then we design our app. So like I put this image and I wrote this and I put this button. It's all part of designing. Then we code our app. So like I've code over here. So this is coding the app, and then last step is to publish the app. So now I'll tell you the main things. So in the design section, you'll see button, label, text input. So button, I think you all might be knowing what a button is. I'll tell you what a label is. So this is a label. A label is something that you have written and no one can edit it. Yeah. And now a text input is something that the viewers of the app can write on. Like I'll just show it to you. Let's start. So you have to type over here. So this is a text input, and when we share it, it would come over here. So I'll teach you that later, but this was just to tell you what a text input would be. So yeah. Now this part is where you will get the things you have used for your app. Okay? And now this part. So whatever part you click of your app, like I've pressed this button, so all the properties of the button will come over here. So you can change anything: background color, font size, and the text to anything you want. I'll just keep it stuck. Yes. And now this is a little screen. It would show you how your app would be on the mobile. So this is how it would look. I'll go on blocks. In blocks, you can just put blocks like I took it out. Now I can put it back again. So these blocks are actually codes. So we do coding to tell the app what to do. Coding basically is instructing the computer to do something. So the computer doesn't has his brain of his own. We give it the brain. So when we give it the brain, or give it instructions, that's called coding. So I'll just explain the things, the code that I've used over here. When button 1 click, do. So when button 1 is clicked, it has to do something. And now what it has to do is navigate to screen 2, which means when I click button 1, which is this, I will navigate to screen 2, this page. These are the same. In this, it's to code the app so that you can chat with your friends. So these are the same. When record, voice, click, do this. And then when button 2 click, do set cloud message to form text input and get text. So as I showed you, just come over here, it takes a lot of time. I'll type here something, and then when I press this button, all the things would come over here. So yes, that's all. And this set cloud message is actually the text input one. So when you share it, then when you share it, it's a cloud message. So the set cloud message is from the text input 1. So you will get text on the screen. And when cloud message initializes from label to text to, this is the same thing. So in this code, it's for when it comes, I've added another label so that the text we type comes over there. So when cloud message initializes or change from label to set text to cloud message, or the cloud message was the one that we share, and when this block is added, then the thing you type will come on the label. So that's how we do it. And the others, this is the one to log in. So if you were born before 2008, you can't join here. It would take you to this screen, and in it says people who were born before 2008 can't join. So yes, this is all for how we make an app on Thunkable. Thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.